Okay, we'll stay on the right side. Stay all the way on the right. Okay, throw it in there. Good job. Push.
It smells like a skunk over here. 216. Where?
Look at the number.
This one?
Read the number. Read the number on the mailbox. The other way. Yep. Turn it.
Turn this way? We have mail.
Take it all out.
Look, somebody got you mail. Where is it from?
Are you tired now? Huh?